Hello there, BaldwinBitcoin here. In this video, we are going to have a walk through your MyBBCGlobal back office. All right. So welcome to your back office. On the main page, when you log into your account, you have your account info, your sponsors info. You also have the packaged purchases that you've made. I came in at the 1 star package, so the three prior to that are highlighted. Okay. But you can also go all the way up to 7 star for $100,000. All right. Um, on your left hand side, you have your home screen, which we're on. You have a profile that has your contact information. Okay. So that administrators can get in contact with you. And you need to update your profile if you have any changes to your email, phone number, etc. You have a wallet tab, messages, referrals, your BBC orders or purchases. You have commissions tab, a support tab, and your BBC rewards. You have direct navigational links, which are similar, if not identical to these. You have your referrals. You have your top performers. You have rank advancement. You have your commissions. You have your emails, well, your messages, pardon me. You have your wallet, support, and then you have BBC rewards. When you go into messages, pretty simple. It'll have messages from admin. It'll also have messages, I guess, showing your activity. Yeah, your activity within the company where they want to get in touch with you. So that's pretty cool. With the messages, you have an option to read or not to read, but I pretty much know what mine are saying. Mine are talking about the referrals that I have brought in. Let's see. Yeah. And also, I did a BBC withdrawal request just to show you how fast that withdrawal took. And that's in one of my videos on my channel. But just got a new affiliate late last night, so that was pretty good as well. But anyway, that's your message center. You have your referral center. You have your sponsored users. You have your users tree. You have rank advancement, top performers, and to enroll a new affiliate. So sponsored users, I'll go to sponsored user tree just to save time. But this is basically giving you a list of your referrals and also who your referrals have brought in. Okay. So you want to check that. All right. And if you open up on there, it'll give you their emails as well so you can contact them. Let's see, rank advancement. Rank advancement is fairly new. It shows who has, oh, there it is. Okay. So this is rank advancement. Personal purchases, I came in at $500. I'm currently ranked 1 star. Personal sales volume, 500 bucks as of today, just as of today. All right, so that's pretty good. Let's see, top performers. This is fairly a new tab as well. Shows the progression of people bringing in referrals. And the numbers are really, really outstanding. As far as how many people are being brought in. And keep in mind, for internet marketers, this is up to 20 levels. So you have your personal sponsored. This is me right here. You have your downlines and whatnot. But these down here, they are networking crazily to bring in these type of numbers. So that was pretty outstanding. Let's see, we can go back to referrals. You can enroll a new affiliate, and that is simply just having your referral link and sending them to your page. Okay. Again, if you do that, it'll just show you your referral link. However, you can get that on your home screen as well. BBC orders. All right. This is a list of your payments. Okay. And your purchases. I made a purchase, 500 bucks. At the time, Bitcoin was just a little bit under 40,000. We know that that has changed as of March 2nd. So that is what your BBC orders. It'll tell you when you came in. I came in February the 4th, just a couple of days after the company launched to the public. Let's see, let's go to commissions. In your commissions, you have your direct commissions. Okay. All right. So it'll show you your commissions. It'll show you how much I've made in totality thus far. Not bad at all. Um, Someone purchased 120, pardon me, a $500 package. I got paid 25%, roughly $125, made the withdrawal. I have in a video how I was able to request a withdrawal from a commission that I made with BBC Global by selling a package, how fast I was able to not only receive my commission, but then cash it out. Okay, so be sure to check that video out. Then you have your car bonus status. If you've been listening to Felix, he has been telling us about the car bonus status, and that's pretty nice. Just just can't believe how wonderful this is. So my personal volume order is from Katrina, and she purchased a 1 star as well for 500. All right, so this just tells you your goal and your percentages to meet the goal in order to get a free car. Okay, matching bonuses. We'll go through that tab. You have 5 levels of matching bonuses coming in May, and then 20 levels of matching bonuses coming in August 22nd. And as a reminder, you have until May 1st of this year to double your initial purchase. You come in at $100, you get $200, okay, worth of BBC. You come in at $100,000, 7 star package, you will receive $200,000 in BBC. All right. And as far as commissions goes, I want to go back to the direct commissions because you just have a few days left to get 25% of all purchases across all 7 star levels. Okay, all of your diamond levels and all of your star levels, and that is that's pretty unique. You have your support tab. You have your FAQs. I definitely encourage you to read these. Literally take 20 minutes or so and go through each one. Now, in the event that they do not have a specific answer to your question, that's when you have your VIP support. However, you have you in order to utilize the VIP support, you have to have made a purchase. Okay? You have to have made a purchase. All right? So you have your BBC rewards, very, very, very unique with their BBC rewards. When you sign up, even for free, you get $50 in travel dollar rewards. Okay. However, when you sign up and make a purchase, they'll double your initial purchase amount. For instance, I came in at $500. Okay. So I got 1,000 travel dollars. But just because I signed up, in retrospect, they still credit me the $50 in travel bonus dollars. So just to show you the honesty, I didn't have to request it. I didn't even want, I mean, they doubled it. So why would I worry about the 50? And keep in mind, they gave me the $1,000 in travel rewards first. Then they say, well, wait a second, we didn't give him his 50 just for signing up. And I got the 50 like the next day. Awesome. You can use this up to 60% off the hotels around the country. I'll be making a video on this soon because I want to see how easy it is to utilize your travel dollars in spending when it comes to vacationing or needing to travel. All right. So that's what that is. All right. So that's under your BBC bonuses. So if we return back to our homepage, I just want to reiterate that you have until May 1st to double your purchase, double your crypto. After May 1st, you'll have a 90-day period that extends into August, where instead of doubling, they'll at least give you 150%. For instance, I came in at the $500. Up until May 1st, I'll be able to double that. If I come in with 500, I get 1,000 BCs. But after May 1st, if I come in with $100, instead of getting $200, I'll only get 150. And That's not to minimize anything. I'm not saying only. Where else will you find someone that's going to give you 150% of your initial purchase? So that's not a bad thing. In fact, that's a great thing. In fact, I can't believe that they're even going to do that after May 1st. So get in now, get back to your sponsor, whoever shared this video with you, and sign up. You have until May 1st to double the amount of your BBC. All right. And when you do sign up and log in, go through all of these. Okay. I think I did not. In fact, I know I did not go to my wallet. So let me do that. Wallet is where you will find your key components to manage your back office as far as your money is concerned. Okay. So here you have your Bitcoin, and you have an option right here to deposit or withdraw. Again, please check one of my prior videos. I do a walkthrough of a withdrawal, time stamped, to show you how fast that I was able to actually get that in my hands, not just in an account, but in my hands. Okay. Only thing I didn't show was going to the ATM. But this is your wallet. This is where you'll have Bitcoin, and if you so choose to have Ethereum. And this is where you can view your ledgers again. You can deposit or withdraw. The charts is basically showing how Bitcoin has been performing today. As of right now, it's a little under 44,000. I'm hoping it'll hit that mid 45 and just stay there for a little bit, you know. But anyhow, that is the walkthrough of our back office on MyBBCGlobal.io. Check the description for more details. Also, a link to Alterdice to sign up and register with their exchange. And I also have some other information in the description that you may wish to check out. And it's been a pleasure.